Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So, making Chrome your default browser basically means that as soon as you go and click a link on your computer, for example, in another application, then Chrome is going to go and open. If you don't have Chrome as your default browser, then it's most likely that Microsoft Edge is going to go and open up or another browser. So, let's go and change this. So, firstly, what you need to do is actually go and open up your Windows settings. You don't need to open Google Chrome for this. So to open up your Windows settings, go and click on the Windows Start button in your taskbar, like so. And then what you can do is go and tap on Settings. Alternatively, you can go and tap on Search for Apps, Settings, and Documents, and then type in Settings. There, if you can go and find it, here we are in our system settings. And then what you need to do is go over to the left hand side and then go and tap on Apps. And then once you're in Apps, you then have the option for default apps. So here we can go and change all the default apps. Go click on it like this. Now what you need to do is go and search for Chrome. So let's go and type it in like so, and here it is. And then what you can do is go and tap on it. What you will need to do is say make Google Chrome a default browser. Then let's go over to the right hand side and then tap on set default. And then once you have done that, you may also need to scroll down as well. And you need to go and find this option here for HTTPS and make sure Chrome is selected here as well. To do that, just go over to the right and tap on this sort of little square icon. And then I'll open this up here and make sure you go and select Google Chrome and then tap on set default and do the same thing for HTTP as well, because if you didn't know, pretty much all links start with this here. So make sure they are set as well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.